Mary, the new update is ready. Can you test it?
Sure, give me 1 minute.
Great. It works perfectly on my computer.
I'm getting an error. Look.
An error? That's strange. It works fine here.
The screen says connection failed. What does that mean?
Let me see. Oh, I think I know the problem.
What is it?
On my computer, I have a special setting. I forgot to change it on the server.
So the app only works on your computer?
Yes, I'm sorry. It was my mistake.
Okay. Can you fix it now?
Yes, give me 5 minutes. I'm updating the settings now.
Good. I'll wait. Next time, please test on a different computer first.
You're right. That's a good idea. I'll do that.
Okay, try again. I'm testing now.
Done. Is it working?
Yes, no more errors. It works now.
Perfect. Thank you for finding that, Mary.
No problem. Now let's send it to the client.